Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Sorry it's been a long time, but today is a long awaited video. The car is on the dyno at BR Tuning up in Calabogie Motorsports Park. The car is finally being pro-tuned on the dyno by Brett. I was back here a little while ago, but we ran into a few issues. I'm back now, and let's just get into it. So we're just going to do a quick little recap of what's on the car. It's got the AVO Stage 1 turbo kit, 565cc injectors, DW 300C fuel pump, 3-inch turbo back exhaust with a high flow cat, Cobb SF intake, TGB delete, EGR delete, and a bunch of other little goodies. But it's probably going to be around 7 to 8 psi, running on 94 octane, 5-speed manual. Let's get How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, obviously you can see I am here at BR Tuning in Calabogie. It's just outside of Ottawa at Calabogie Motorsports Park. I'm here with Brett, Roger from BR Tuning. We are going to be tuning or retuning the Crosstrek. I always wanted to have the car on a dyno and have it pro-tuned. So needless to say, we are kind of setting up things right now. The car has done a couple just little base pulls on the current tune that it has, but we are going to be recreating the tune again, so we had to get some values. And yeah, I won't speak too much. I will kind of input stuff as we go, but yeah, you'll see the tuning process on the dyno. We'll see what it makes, you name it. Obviously we're going to be tuning with Subaru Edit. It's open source, so it's nothing like Cobb, so we have to do a bit more legwork setting up the base map. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy, and I will catch you throughout this video. Alright guys, so I just want to give you a little recap about what was going on in this video. So obviously I had brought the Crosstrek with the AVO turbo kit to Brett in end of December, early January time. I brought the car with the original tune on it, and we wanted to start making a new base map and retuning the car. Unfortunately, we ran into some issues with the dyno, so we had to cut our time a little bit short. And obviously the whole Cobb stuff and him just being busy as tuners usually are kind of sidetracked our stuff. But needless to say, I was able to get back to the dyno today, May 13th. We did a couple revisions, and I will be going back again soon enough after I fix a couple issues that was with the car. We did 3 revisions today. Unfortunately, the fuel pump that I had installed, D-Works 300C fuel pump about 20,000 kilometers ago, has been starting to fail. So above 5,500 RPM, the car is starting to lose fuel pressure and lean out a little bit. So we added some fuel in, and it was working, and then above a certain point, the car wasn't accepting the added fuel, so we know it is the fuel pump. With that being said, I did buy a AEM 340 fuel pump, a D-Works hardwire kit, and a radium fuel pressure regulator, as well as some other parts. We're going to do some remote tuning, and then I will be back on the dyno to finish everything up. But at 5,500 RPM, not really getting on it. Car was creeping to 7 psi. The car was making 190 wheel, 185 torque around there. Everything is very conservative. It's got a lot more in it, so I could imagine once everything is all said and done, it's probably going to make about 220 wheel or so. Brett was really happy with it. I got to say thank you so much to Brett and everyone else who has helped me with this build so far. Again, this is nothing like your normal FA or EJ, or you can slap a bunch of parts on it and you know what's gonna happen. It is a amalgamation of different parts. It's very unique, so yes, it's frustrating, but it's also very exhilarating once you get things right. But thank you for the support. I appreciate it. Please make sure to subscribe to the channel, comment, like, subscribe. Follow my Instagram at rumble.hatch, and also if you're wanting to get your Crosstrek, Impreza, you name it, any other car tuned by Brett, he does remote and he does in person on the dyno. Brett's fantastic, super knowledgeable, great guy. I appreciate him a lot. So thank you guys. I will catch you in the next one. Take care.